Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to scan QR code on your iPhone screen. So guys, if you want to scan a QR code on your iPhone screen without needing a second device, here I will show you how can you do this. So guys, this is very basic and simple. You can easily do this. So guys, all you have to do is that simply go back to your home screen, and then you have to simply go to settings, and then you have to simply scroll it below and go to general. Again, scroll it below and go to language and region, and then scroll it below all the way and turn on the toggle for live text. So as you can see this, if it is off, you have to simply turn it on, and after this go back to your home screen, and now you have to simply take a screenshot of the QR code on your device. So I simply get any QR code and then take a screenshot of the QR code, and then you have to simply go back to your photos and then open the QR code. Here you can see this, and now you have to simply tap on this scan button. So as you can see this, simply tap on scan button and then select the QR code and then tap on open in Siri, and after this your code will be scanned on your iPhone without needing a second device. So as you can see this, you can easily scan any code from here. Here I am scanning this one. Simply tap on this scan button, select the QR code, and then tap on open in Safari or any browser, and then you will see the results of this scanning. So guys, in this way you can also scan QR codes on your iPhone screen without needing a second device. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.